How to fix can't send message request on Facebook. So if you're trying to send a message request on Facebook and if you can't send a message request, then first open up your Facebook application and make sure to log into your account. So let me tell you one thing, that if you're not being able to send friend requests on Facebook, then it might be a reason, or it might be an issue of the friend request. Like if you have sent more than 1,000 or more than the limited friend request, then you will have that kind of problem. So simply wait for 24 hours, and after waiting for 24 hours your problem might be fixed. And if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply go for the upper right, which has that three bat icon, and go for help and support and tap on help center, or tap on report a problem, and here tap on OK, and then shake your phone, and here you will have report a problem option. Tap on report a problem and it will take you to the feedback page, and now tap on include or don't include anything, and here you will have an option or a box to describe the issue. So here you can simply enter the issue like I can't send friend request on Facebook, and once you describe your issue you can simply tap on the upper right, which has that send icon. So let me simply type it, and once you've written that, tap on the arrow which is on the upper right, and that's it. That's how you can send your feedback. And once you send your feedback, now within 24 hours or within 1 or 2 hours, you will get a message from Facebook, or you will get a mail on how to fix that problem. So that's how you can fix can't send friend request on Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.